Yeah, Millsy here from Liquid Gold Beekeeping down under here in Western Australia. What's happening here is I've got this this box. This is my swarm box. I'm going to transfer the hive I collected into a permanent box. Easter and all that got in the way. And what was fascinating about doing this cutout, I didn't have my camera or all that with me. I was cutting out a hive, and while I was cutting it out, as you do, you try and collect a bit of brood comb to try and keep the hive going. Or if you lose the queen, they can make a new one, and it helps get all the bees and tuck them all into the box. Well, while I was cutting it out, I was looking for a bit of brood comb, and I didn't really notice any live larvae and eggs and all that. So I kept cutting away. I got a bit of brood, mainly drone comb or whatever, and put it in the hive. But as I was cutting it out, I came across 4 queen cells in the old hive, and as I cut out the 4 queen cells, what happened was the queens started to hatch. So the queens were actually hatching while I was cutting out the hive. So I put the queens and the queen cells in here, and now it was about a week ago, so I hope she's not out on a mating flight. It's about a week ago, so now I want to have a look and see how it's going, transfer it all into this box, and also try and see if the queens or a queen made it. So here we go, we're going to transfer it in and see how we go, what we got going on here. So plenty of bees in there. Just have a quick look around the top here for a queen, just in case. Always have a look on the bib for the queen. Doesn't look like she's in there. We'll just leave that there for now. So I might have to even get some one of these other hives I've got going on just here. Get the honey flowing out of this one that's offered some probably needs empty. She's actually run and get a brush to brush the leaves off. So bear with me. Put that honey one in later actually. What I'll do is I'll have a quick look and transfer all these in. Got a couple of stickies here, keep them going. Put a sticky in there at the end. The honey, one for the honey. Swap it out later. This one will just keep them going. It looks like most of the hives over this side of the box. So we just gently get them out and have a look what's going on. New drones and that on that frame. It's all drawn out pretty good. No eggs or larvae, but you wouldn't really expect that at this stage. You can birds and queens flying around it. Another drawn out comb. Quite a few drones getting around, so they must have laid, something must have happened to the queen in the old hive where it was, and that's why they were creating a new queen. They created quite a few drones. You can't really see the queen on that one. See the queen on that one. Starting to bring in pollen and all that. No honey at this stage. Queens, they won't too aggressive, these bees, not aggressive at all. They know where they came from. This frame is a frame where I had a little groove. Doing a bit of around comb there. This is mainly the drone comb. See any queen coming around anywhere there. their own. And they're not empty frame on that. Queen cells gone. Would that indicate that one of the queens made it? There she is. There she is. There's the queen. Not sure if you can see that. I'm going to drop it. But there's the queen right there. I don't know if I can move it up to the camera and hopefully you can get a bit of a look. But there she is right there. She's wandering down that end of the frame, so all good. All very good. Took a while, but we found her. There's one queen in there. Isn't that lovely? What we'll do now, we can get a little bit rougher with what's going on there. Put one of these in. We'll swap it out for a bit of honey in a sec. So all good, got a queen going on. Very happy. Assuming there's only one. But I found 4 queen cells, so she's a new queen. Because there was no eggs or larvae in the hive that I captured. So that's all good. Bob's your uncle. We'll catch you. Hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, I don't do much editing, so I'll post it, and yeah, have a very nice day.